Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. I'm hoping you all are having a fabulous day. Today I'm bringing you something brand new from Newcraftday. That is www.newcraftday.com. Now, Newcraftday, they are a huge shop. They've got a very big website. You can go and have a look. There's something for everyone. Now, they sell our favorite cross stitch, all the newest beaded stitches. They sell diamond paintings, paint by numbers. They do all the customs of those products. And they also sell all the tools and accessories you can dream of. Now, they've got more things in their store, like tattoo stickers, the weaving series, epoxy mold, fire paint seal series, and even the scrapbook series. Now, if you want to save a little bit more at Newcraftday, you just use my discount code, which is RELLA10, for an extra 10% off. Now, if you order for $59 or over, you get free shipping. Also, if you buy only for $1 at Newcraftday, you get a free blind box. And then also, the special still running, buy 5, get 1 free. So you need to add 6 items to your cart to get 1 free. And there's no limits to that. So that's exciting. Go and have a look. They loaded brand new products, and I'm going to show one of them to you today, and I'm super excited to open this. So there it is. Have a look at that. While you have a look, I'll try and take all of this out so long. Oh wow. Where do we start with this? Okay, so let's have a look. I think this is so gorgeous. Now, this is the papers. I must dismantle everything here. What is all in here? Alright, so I'm gonna adjust this. It came with a frame. Look at that. I can see it's a frame. We're gonna have a look at that now. Just wanna open everything so we can see where to start, right? Is everything out? Oh wow. Oh wow. Right, I've got something here. I can't read it, but you can use your Google Translate. Always when you get something like this, use Google Translate. So I think we start off with this. Okay, this is the instructions. There's 5 colors of threads. And it says needle painting. Now, needle painting, I love. I absolutely love it. As you guys know, this year on my channel, we're going to explore a bit. Now, there's the sketch of the butterfly. And then every little thing tells you string, line stitches, long and short stitches. Everything is long and short stitches. Here by number 5 is straight line stitches, teardrop rhinestone, light purple beads, light blue beads. Alright, so they tell you exactly what beads, what rice beads. This is basically the instructions where you must put everything and how to put it there, and it is in English. There you go. Alright, so yes. Now, let's have a look. You get a little ring, and with these I will use, with embroidery, I do use a ring. It's a very strong plastic ring. It's got those grooves. And this keeps your material super tight. So it's got grooves. Oh, let me try and show you because my light's being nasty there. And this is this groove fits in there. So it pulls your material extremely, extremely tight, which you need. Ooh, bolly. Okay. There you go. We just tighten it again. So you get your hoop with it. And then here's the stuff you need. So let's just open our material first. Oh, this is nice. I can't read what there's. It said psych. I can't really read what there is. But this is the pattern for your butterfly. So it's not difficult. Look at that. That's the pattern. Everything you need is on here. Can you see? There you go. So you will be putting this in there. That wings, it fits in perfectly. There you go. Amazing. I'm so excited about this. This is a blue butterfly. And it is very beautiful. Oh man, this is very nice. So I want to leave it there so we can explore. I just don't want to lose anything. Let's just put a plastic. Does that? No, that shines. Oh, we can do this. It won't get damaged. Now all the threads, there should be 5. Alright, so you get your metallic thread, and this thread you do not divide. And then you get your 4 normal threads here, look here. It's normal ecological cotton threads with all your metallic you're gonna need. Just put it there. I'm figuring it out as I talk to you as well. So sorry if I missed something here, but I'm not trying to, but this is just amazing. While I open these, I just want to ask, if it's the first time you watch my videos, please hit that subscribe button. It's for free, and by doing that, you motivate me to do more of these. Also press the like button and leave me a comment. I will get back to you. Oh wow, I'm so scared I lose some of it. So where's this? This is probably the 2 front little feeler things of the butterfly. It's a metal. You also use this in gold work. When you do embroidery gold work, I've got a whole roll of this in my cupboard. You do gold work with that. And this is your beading thread. It's see-through beading thread. And then is all the beads. Okay, I'm going to show the beads. We can use the big ones. We can take out Nana. So there is black. They're all different in the packet. So the black ones that shines different colors here, they are a bit long, and then you get the white pearly ones. I'm trying to let the light not be in the way. Very, very pretty. Then we got the purple ones and the gold ones in a packet. I hope you can see. I'm trying to... does not want me to. Look at that. There you go. And then we've got the big pearly ones with the... It's like a baby blue, but they see through. I hope you can see them. There you go. Now in the last packet, I'm going to take this out. There's a few things in here. They were talking, ooh, holy smokes. There is your long beading needle. Very, very long, super thin. And we've got a nice, and they're good quality. And there's a shorter one here next to it. But this is a 26. But a long one, and then that one. Can you guys see them? There you go. So those are the 2 needles. Then we got the pearly ones in here. Just big pearly ones. Let's just want to do this. I just want to see if I can get more there. There you go. I don't want to lose these, so I'm packing away. Really don't want to lose them. Let's put the needles back. Okay, that will suit me. That needle's so long, you need to put it sideways and then it just fits. Then we got a lot of this, babies. Not the blue rhinestones. We got these, but they are like a metal piece in the back. I don't know how to... But they got this shiny white. They're very difficult to show you. Look. Whoa, where is it? Yeah, wait, let me shake them. Maybe one falls over or open. So do the top. They're metal in the back and they've got this champagne color in front, rhinestones. Very, very pretty. It's very difficult to show them to you. And then we've got our rhinestone ones, big blue ones, and they're pretty and shiny. So I think this is going to be so much fun. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think of this product. They said they're going to stock all of them. These butterflies, there's 5 or 6 of them. They said if there's interest, they will stock them all, then we can collect them. But I'm not finished yet. You will see now. There is more. I didn't know I'm getting a frame with it. How awesome is that, guys? So let's have a look. Let's just pack away first. I don't want to lose my precious. Okay, so let's just pack away. No, not yet. Wait. Okay, well, I must take pictures, you know. You guys must scream, don't back away, you need to take pictures. Look at this. Oh, yeah, it's a bit damaged on the bottom, but nothing I can't fix. Look at that. Look at this. It's a bit scraped there, but I'll probably paint this. This is so nice. What is this? Is it actual? What is this? Hold on. And then the frame can stand. So when you're done, there's a frame already with it. What a nice product. Stitchy family, please comment in the comment box. I really would like to know what you think of this. Oh, it's a Perspex. You need to take the film off. Then it's shiny. So this is perfect. Amazing. I love it. Please let me know what you think about this. It's a new product. What do you think? Must they stock all of them? I surely think they should. It's gonna be so much fun. Look, ta-da, and then your piece is finished and it fits in there perfectly and you can stretch it and do whatever you want. There you go. Amazing, right? I'm so surprised. I really didn't know I'm gonna get a frame. Well, I'm very happy for one. Alright, so let's just put this away. Okay, and that is what I want to show you. You can only find it at Newcraftday. They are amazing. This is amazing. Newcraftday, thank you so much. I absolutely love this. In the new year, over a weekend somewhere, we must maybe do this one. If there's someone who wants to join me on this, let me know. And we can set a date for next year. So, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I hope all your preparations for Christmas are going well. And I love you guys. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.